Hello, everyone. My name is Yulia Krasilnikova, and my partner is Brandon Vargas. We are presenting to you a new tool called Parsin-Thru. Parsin-Thru is an interactive script written in Python. We created this tool to make day-to-day life of security analysts easier. Security analysts usually spend a lot of time at work analyzing logs and network data to find suspicious patterns. Parsin-Thru is able to parse log files in a blink of an eye. Also, there is an option to export objects from PCAP files and get quick IPv4 statistics for future analysis. We also included some informational sections in there. A user can get an info on what PCAP and log files are, other ways to extract objects from PCAP files, and other ways of parsing files. Please make sure that files that you're going to work with are placed in the same folder as Parsin-Thru file. Now let's see Parsin-Thru in action.
Hello everyone, my name is Brandon and I'm going to demonstrate Parsin-Thru for you. Here is our main menu. We utilize numbers to navigate around our menus. First, we must know what type of file we have. We choose between PCAP files or text log files. If you're wondering what type of file you're using, we provide an informational section in the main menu to explain their differences. Let's start with a PCAP file. After choosing auto extract, you'll be asked to input the name of the file. Here we'll be using example.pcap for a demo. PCAP extractor automatically saves all the files from the PCAP into a folder called exported. On the screen, we see how many objects were extracted in total, and there is also IPv4 data here that shows us the percentage and total number of interactions. Here we see all the files that were extracted. And now we will go back to the previous menu to parse a regular log file. After choosing auto log parser, we need to type in the log file when prompted. We will be using log.txt for our demo. Once the script is done, we are getting this log parse in seconds. We can see IP addresses are sorted and the total number of appearances is shown below. Parsin-Thru can also automatically distinguish between GZ archived files and parse them as well. We'll use this GZ file for our demo. Here, we see the same output that we would get from a regular log file. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for listening, and we hope that you use Parsin-Thru next time you need logs or PCAPs parsed quickly. You can also find our script on GitHub with the link shown above. Thank you.